It's video marketing, yup, quickly syndicating and ranking videos on the first page of Google. And why does leveraging YouTube allow you to get such fast results? Well, as you know, Google owns YouTube. YouTube is the biggest video search engine on the planet. It packs a ton of authority, and Google loves to display videos in their search results. When you combine the authority of YouTube with the power of social syndication that MyVideoSpy gives you, you can turn Google into your own personal ATM machine by ranking videos on page 1 over and over again. I've been doing video marketing for several years now. 5 years to be exact. And during those years, I've gotten pretty good at ranking my videos and being able to get massive traffic, leads and sales from Google. And with that experience, I've developed one of the best video ranking software on the internet, which we've called MyVideo. The faster you have content to rank, the quicker you're going to get results. Creating a video marketing campaign within MyVideoSpy takes 90 seconds. Max. And our results speak for themselves. Because not only have I been able to get results after results with MyVideoSpy, our users have been able to get results after results with it as well. Now the beautiful thing about MyVideoSpy is that it completely changes the way that video marketing works. We've developed our system to be more efficient. It's unlike anything you've ever seen before. In fact, MyVideoSpy is a complete video marketing powerhouse. It allows you to get page 1 video rankings in 24 hours or less. Let's jump into a quick demo video.
Quick demo of MyVideoSpy, where you can identify untapped niches and profitable keywords in a matter of seconds, and then expose all your competitors' weaknesses so you know exactly what you have to do to outrank them. And this is the first and only platform to accurately track and determine how much traffic your video will get, so you waste zero time and effort. We'll have the ability to track any YouTube video URL in advance, so we know exactly how many views it gets and how many views you could too if you targeted those same keywords. And on top of that, I'm going to show you how you can secure top rankings in just minutes with the new keywords you found with MyVideoSpy. So here we are inside the research section of MyVideoSpy, where we can perform research on any keyword or niche you want and identify up to 20 additional popular keywords or niches that are actively being searched for in Google. Now to do that, all you have to do is click the plus sign here and type in your keyword. I'm just going to close this down and show you some of the terms I've searched for in the past. And previously I had searched the term Zeta Clear, which is a popular CPA offer that is found in the Market Health Network, which is a solution for toenail fungus and can have a high-paying affiliate program. So after searching this term Zeta Clear, I now have a whole list of additional keyword phrases that have been suggested by Google. And as you can see, I have a full list of 21 different entries, and I can continue scrolling through and going to the different pages to see additional terms that I can analyze. And to analyze any of these keywords, all you have to do is click on this green eye button here to view it and to perform the analysis. I've already done analysis on 2 of these, that's why we have the check marks here, so I can just go back and show you real quick what it looks like. So for the main term Zeta Clear, you can see here in the analysis section, I have a full list of the top 10 ranked videos in YouTube and all of that information on those videos that I would need, including the average view count of the top 10 videos and the average amount of likes that they've gotten. Also, if the keyword has been in title, you can see that 10 out of 10 of these videos have the key phrase ZetaClear in the title. And then if the keyword is in the tags, you can see 10 out of 10 of these videos have the main keyword in the tag. Now, this is going to be the most competitive term for this product called ZetaClear because it is the product name. So the videos that are ranked in the top 10 most likely are very well optimized. You can go down here and see further information, including the title. You can see the keyword highlighted in blue here, and you can also see when it was published, the length of the video, the view count, the likes, the dislikes, and the comments. We can also see the channel name, the subscriber count in the channel, videos in that channel, as well as the views in that channel. And then we can come down here and check out the description. We can click on the show more button here to bring that down to give the full description in there and see all of the keywords. The main keywords are highlighted in blue there. This is the video thumbnail that will be displayed. And then in the tags section, we will see all of the full list of tags. If we do want to use these tags for one of our videos, all we have to do is just click this clipboard button to copy all those tags. Then on the right side, you will see some check marks to indicate if the keyword is in title. Now, when they're all lit up like this, that means that it's fully optimized and the keyword is in the title, the keyword's also in the description, the keyword's in the tags, and there are 10 occurrences of that. So as you can see, this video ranked in position 1 is fully optimized. If we want to track that video, all we have to do is click the binoculars icon, and by clicking the binoculars icon, it will start tracking. A little window will pop up and ask us if we want to start tracking this, and if we click OK, then it will track the video views and other statistics of the video to see how the video performed every single day. So I'm just going to click OK on that. And then if we want to scroll down to see what's in position 2, 3, or anything else in the top 10, we can do so down here. Now I'm going to go back to show you what it's like to research other keywords. Obviously, if we were to go after a keyword like this, it would be very competitive and all the videos ranked here are fully optimized. However, this tool is designed to give you opportunities and show you all those nice low-hanging fruit keywords and those golden opportunities that take very minimal effort to outrank for popular search terms. So I'm going to go back to our research. And we're going to analyze this term ZetaClear antifungal solution. It is still using the product name keyword. Although this may not be as searched as much as the main product name keyword, it could still be a very beneficial keyword to go after if you want targeted traffic and to get searches with buyer intent. So after searching this, we can now see all the statistics for this specific term. Now I won't cover everything again, but I will just say that, as you can see real quick up here, keyword in title and keyword in tags, there are 0 out of 10 of these videos that actually have this specific keyword. As we can see down here, the #1 ranked video for this term is actually not optimized at all for this long tail phrase, showing that keyword in title has an X, keyword in description has an X, and keyword in tags have an X, which means that the keyword has not been optimized for any of these sections. If we continue scrolling down, you'll see all these additional videos that are listed in the top 10 are not optimized for that specific keyword phrase either. We can then go test it out in MyVideoSpy and see how easy it will be to rank for that term. And the likelihood of us outranking these videos will be much greater because none of them are optimized for this specific term that has been suggested to us by Google. And if we're curious about how many views these videos are actually getting on a daily basis, again, we can click the binoculars button here. After we've given it several days of tracking, we can go back to this tab called Stat Tracker. I'm going to click into it now and show you the videos that I've been tracking. So this video here called ZetaClear Reviews was ranked position 1 for the term ZetaClear. It also has additional rankings as well. And when we click into it, it'll show us all its statistics that it's accumulated since the day I started tracking it with MyVideoSpy. So I can click the View Stat Tracker icon there and we'll see this nice graph of all the views that accumulated. So as you can see, it started in late June, it began tracking. We can also view the chart down here to see the date of June 25th and how many views it had then, how many comments, how many likes, how many dislikes. And you can see that from June 25th to July 2nd, there's been an increase in about 100 views and 1 comment, 1 like, and no dislikes. And people willing to watch a video around a specific toenail fungus solution will probably be a lot more inclined to want to solve their embarrassing issue fast, so it may not take a whole lot of views to make some decent sales from this video. So that's all very good information that we can now have thanks to MyVideoSpy. And this was created because of a problem that we had with YouTube where they stopped allowing us to view the video statistics. In the past, we could have that option, but now they have not made this available, and other services have come out to try to do this, but they haven't been very accurate at all. So this way we can actually track it because MyVideoSpy is going in and refreshing and accumulating all that data every single day internally. So you can have your own collection of video statistics here that you can access privately. Now also, when we come back to the stat tracker, we can click on this plus button to enter in any custom URL. So if there's a video that you want to track that you didn't find in the research section, something that you found on YouTube that you think is interesting, you can just add it in here and it will start tracking that as well. So once you have a keyword that you want to target, like Zetaclear antifungal solution, all you got to do is come over to live events and then click on the plus button and then select your YouTube account that you've added in there. Give the video a title, give the video a description. I'm just going to paste in the main keyword that we were researching and then click create. If we want to change out this publish date, we can just select that and move it to a different date, but I'm just going to leave it as is. By default, it's 7 days out. So I'm just going to click on the create button and boom, there we go. Now we have a YouTube live event placeholder that's going out and being created around our target keyword. And so then we can then come back and check to see where it's ranked. And if we want, we can also create a rank tracker as well by clicking here and adding in the keywords that we want to track. So we can track the main keyword, which is Zetaclear antifungal solution. We could also track something like Zetaclear and additional ones as well. And also when doing your live events, you can make any changes or edits that you want. So if you want to have this keyword in title case, you can just come in here and add them in title case. You can add additional keywords like Zetaclear reviews or review, and additional keywords in the description as well. If you want to add a longer description, or if you want to target multiple keywords, or just have a lot of related keywords added in there to see if that can help, then you can do that as well. But I'm just going to leave this as is and then create another YouTube live. So I'm going to click the create button down here. Now after giving it a minute to index, you can just go into YouTube and add in your main keyword if you want to check it that way as well. And as you can see, we have just secured top positions for this keyword. So we're in position number 1, position number 3, and also a previous video that I added is now position number 4. So as you can see, these have been very easy rankings and took less than a minute to do. And if you want to quickly swap out this YouTube placeholder with a real video, you can swap that out with any video you want using a YouTube encoder.